Assalamualaikum.
Hi ladies and gentlemen.
First of all, allow me to introduce myself and my team partner. So, my name is Damia Anis Humaira and my registration number is F1057.
My name is Zulaika binti Zulkarnain. My registration number is F1009.
The title of our presentation is a comparative of wooden float trowel and steel float trowel.
So our presentation will split to 10 sections and Anis will start first.
First of all, I would like to start the presentation by introducing technical products. So, testing are really important in everyday life and industry. So, we will compare and contrast a little about our product related to our field. So, the purpose is simple so that we can be more understand about what we study and about the products. Secondly, we will look at the description of wooden float trowel. So, as you can see from this slide, here we have wooden float trowel. So, it's basically a type of stools, and the function is simple to produce a road surface finish and can make the surface solid and durable. So, in terms of features, it's like a wig and can give a rough finish, and it's also suitable for final stage finish. So the characteristic is like a wig and portability. So I will pass the next part to Zulaika.
Thank you, Anis. I will begin by description of steel float trowel. It functions as final finishing surface for making. While the features, the tool consists of comfortable handle for the grip, durable, resistant to rust to make it suitable in construction environment. Characteristic for this tool is heavier, strong, and portability for skilled worker. Next, let me explain about similarities between wooden float trowel and steel float trowel. Firstly, both tools are designed to smooth and finishing surface. Secondly, they have a flat base with a handle grip. In addition, wooden float trowel and steel float trowel categorized as a hand tools used in plastering, concreting, and rigging. My next point is differences between wooden float trowel and steel float trowel. First differences is in height. As we can see, wooden float trowel is lighter than a steel float trowel. Secondly, the wooden float trowel leaves a texture while steel float trowel leaves a smooth finish. Lastly, wooden float trowel is for base coat and steel float trowel is for a final finishing. Next, I will pass the presentation to Anis.
My next point is I will speak about the visual aid comparison table. So here we have got a quick comparison between wooden float trowel and steel float trowel. So for the material, wooden float trowel is made by wood and steel float trowel are made by steel. So it's pretty obviously that wooden float trowel is more cheaper and lightweight than steel float trowel. But steel float trowel is more precision than wooden float trowel. And steel float trowel are suitable to make a perfect smooth finishing. Then I will discuss about strength, weakness, and which one is the best choice. So, the strength of wooden float trowel is it has an affordable price, while steel float trowel is long-lasting and durable. Next, the weakness of wooden float trowel is heavy when it wet and not ideal for all material, while steel float trowel is expensive and slippery finish. So, which one is the best choice? So, from what I study, I think it depends on the application. So, I will invite Zulaika to conclude our presentation.
Based on the explanation, it can be concluded both tools are important things in plastering and rendering work in civil engineering fields. In addition, wooden and steel float trowel essential to well finishing surface. Lastly, they have its own specific function, but it depends on the application.
Thank you for listening.
Do you have any question?
Yes, I have two questions, but I will start with the first question. Which one is more cheaper and suitable for first stage finish?
Good question. So, from what I study, the cheaper one is wooden float trowel, and wooden float trowel are more suitable for final stage finish.
And moving on to my second question, which tool is more long lasting?
Thank you. From the discussion, we can see the steel float trowel can long last than wooden float trowel.
Do you have any question? No.
No,
So,
that's all.
thank you. That's all from us.
Thank you for being such a wonderful audience.